In this video, I'll show you how to utilize JungleScout's Product Finder tool to find profitable products on Amazon, whether you're just getting started or looking to scale your business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage this powerful tool to make data-driven product decisions. Before we dive in, you can use JungleScout completely free with our exclusive bonuses linked in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to start using one of the best tools for Amazon product research. Now, let's get into it. JungleScout's Product Finder tool is a game changer for anyone looking to start or grow an Amazon FBA business. It helps you find high potential products by filtering through thousands of options using a set of powerful criteria. What makes it so useful is its ability to quickly narrow down your choices to products with high demand and low competition, saving you hours of research. First, you'll want to choose your product category. You can select a broad category like health and personal care, or narrow it down further to more specific subcategories. JungleScout's database contains millions of products, and the tool makes it easy to zero in on the ones that align with your business goals. Next, set your filters. This is where the magic happens. You can adjust key factors like average monthly sales, price range, reviews, and estimated revenue. For example, if you're looking for products that sell between $20 and $50, simply input that price range. Want to focus on products with over 300 sales per month? Just set that filter. The more specific you get, the better your chances of uncovering profitable products. One of the most powerful features of JungleScout's Product Finder tool is the ability to sort products by their competition level. You don't want to dive into a market that's already saturated, so make sure to adjust the number of reviews filter. This will show you products that have lower competition, giving you the opportunity to enter a market that's not too crowded but still profitable. JungleScout also provides you with key metrics for each product, such as the estimated revenue, average price, and how much stock is available. This makes it incredibly easy to evaluate whether a product is worth your investment without having to sift through unreliable data. Another feature that I love is the ability to view a product's sales trends over time. If you see a product that has consistent sales and positive growth, it's a strong indicator that the product is in demand and could be a solid addition to your store. Conversely, if the sales are declining, you may want to reconsider or check for any market shifts that could impact future sales. Once you've found a product that meets your criteria, you can click through to get even more detailed data, including the product's sales history, reviews, and ranking on Amazon. This will help you make an informed decision about whether or not the product is a good fit for your business. One of the best things about JungleScout's Product Finder tool is its ease of use. Even if you're new to Amazon selling or product research, it's incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean, and the tool offers a comprehensive yet simple way to get results fast. Plus, JungleScout offers additional resources like training videos and guides to help you maximize the potential of the software. And, as promised, you can start using JungleScout for free with our exclusive extended trial offer. This gives you a chance to explore the Product Finder tool and see for yourself how it can streamline your product research. So, if you're serious about finding profitable products to sell on Amazon, be sure to check out JungleScout's Product Finder tool. With the right filters and a little bit of time, you'll be on your way to discovering hot products and growing your Amazon business. Don't forget to click the link below to claim your exclusive extended trial and get started with JungleScout today.